When it comes to cooking in the kitchen, food preparation is one of the essential parts of cooking. Tools like kitchen knives plays a critical role in completing the work successfully. With the advance of TV cooking shows, video, and recipe books, not surprisingly, people might reckon using knives to prepare food is an easy job. However, kitchen knives with sharp spots can be dangerous. People will possibly hurt themselves if they use the knife in an incautious and incorrect way. According to the research, around 350,000 people are injured by the kitchen knives every year. Therefore, it is important for people to enhance their kitchen knife skills for better and safer cooking experience, which ultimately enhance their quality of life. The P-knife aims to help users learn how to use the knife correctly and prevent users from hurting themselves. It detects and captures knife movement in hand and provides constructive feedback through animation that shows how people are currently using the knives and the right way of using it in real time. Now I'm going to introduce how does P-knife works. First of all, to set up the P-knife, it needs to connect to the power and then turn on the screen which it connects to. Take the P-knife out of the cupboard. Connect to power bank with USB to micro USB cable. Turn on the screen and now you can start using the P-knife. There are 3 incorrect motions of using the knife that will be captured by the P-knife system. Error detection 1. It is dangerous when the point of a knife is being swinged upward. This error will be detected and the system will present to the user the correct way of using the knife.
You are now using the knife wrong. Please do not swing your blade upward. This is dangerous. This is the right way of using the knife.
Error detection 2. People using the knife with too much pressure and force might accidentally hurt themselves. With the detection of this error from P-knife, this kind of danger can be prevented.
You are now swinging your knife too hard and too fast. This is dangerous. This is the right way of using the knife.
Error detection 3. The third incorrect motion that will be captured is the changing angle between the blade of a knife and the cutting board, which leads to the inconsistency of rotation.
You are not holding the knife with a stable angle. This is wrong. This is the right way of using the knife.
There is also a positive feedback interaction built in P-knife. A constructive feedback will be delivered to user when the user uses the knife in a correct way consistently.
Wow, you have perfectly chopped for 20 times.
With the fabrication of P-knife prototype, we use Fusion 360 to create the 3D model of the handle, which it allows the acceleration sensor and I/O control board perfectly integrate into the handle. Wires and electronic components are covered up, which it makes the product look clean and provide a smooth texture. With the control board, we use Adafruit feeder HAZARD32 to provide wireless connectivity by deploying the Wi-Fi module. We used MPU6050 accelerometers and gyro to supply acceleration monitor for detection of speed, position, and rotation angle of the knife. For the ideas of the P-knife future development. First, some additional LED line attached to the knife allows the interaction that visually reminds where the user used the knife correctly without looking at the screen. Second, connect the P-knife with the kitchen smart screen to demonstrate instruction for P-knife so that user views guidance more efficiently. What's more, implementing a gesture recognition and simulation that enable users to see their hands motion and gesture on the screen in real time, so the user can get feedback in a more natural manner. Finally, embed the battery inside the handle so users do not need to carry the battery while they are cooking.
You are now using the knife wrong. Please do not swing your blade upward. This is dangerous.